Hello, welcome to HMS training. We are going to discuss how to raise a sick from OPD Doctor Desk. In OPD Doctor Desk, when in OPD Doctor Desk, while examining for regular examination, in case doctor required to issue a sick to patient, below the chief complaint, one sick fit tab is there. Doctor can click on the sick fit tab to raise a sick. In this department is automatically chosen and episode. If doctor want to raise a sick from the current episode will be selected automatically, and the sick category doctor having two options. One is railway sick and one is external sick. In railway sick, doctor give a normal sick or injured on duty or hot on duty, or else doctor can even give the external sick where the patient from PMC and giving the duty fit certificate. Here we see how to give a railway sick. Select the sick category as railway sick, and as this patient is for initial sick, click on the initial sick button, and from which date patient has to be put on the sick. Doctor can select the previous date, up to 5 days it is allowed, and up to what date the patient has to be put on the sick, click on the future date and select the set date. If the past date is selected, a pop-up will come for alerting the doctor that is selecting the past date. So putting the patient on retrospective basis, doctor mandatorily has to mention a remarks for justifying putting the patient in sick for past 5 days. After doctor can fill in remarks column, they can expand the column if there is a more number of text, and select advice by which doctor has advised the sick and for what reason the sick is given for the patient, for medical treatment or others. They can be selected and they can fill the remarks. And here the employee details will be fetched automatically from Umid database. In case any of the field is missing, doctor are advised to fill the details. This will help for analyzing for reporting purpose. Here checklist details are provided where doctor can select any option. This option will be shown at the sick certificate generating sick clerk to upload the same. Once it is completed, doctor can click on the save to generate a sick.